Hello children, let's come back to our maths class. We have learnt in the previous classes how to subtract rational numbers. Okay, now let's look at the continuation of the previous class. Okay children, listen carefully. Your first question, find the value of 6 upon 4 plus 3 upon minus 5 minus 8 upon 10. Okay, your question is find the value of 6 upon 4 plus 3 upon minus 5 minus 8 upon 10. Okay, so first of all you check all the denominator is positive or negative. Okay, so yes, this rational number have negative denominator is there. Yes or no? Yes. So first you convert into the பாசிட்டிவ் சரியா. ஸோ எப்போவுமே நம்ம பார்த்த உடனே டினாமினேட்டர் நம்மளுக்கு பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, பட் ஹியர் ஒன் ரேஷனல் நம்பர் ஹேவ் நெகட்டிவ் இன்டீஜர், ஸோ யூ கன்வெர்ட் இன் டு த பாசிட்டிவ். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹவு டு யூ டூ திஸ்? 6 upon 4 plus 3 upon minus 5. 3 upon minus 5 can be written as minus 3 upon 5. How? 3 upon minus 5, உன்னோட டினாமினேட்டர் உனக்கு 5 வரணும். அப்போ எதால் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும்? ஒரு மைனஸால் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை யூ மல்டிப்ளை பை minus 1 into minus 1. Multiply by both numerator minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus 5 into minus 1, your answer is 5. Okay children, so 3 upon minus 5 is equivalent fraction of minus 3 upon 5. So 3 upon minus 5 can be written as minus 3 upon 5. Okay children, நம்ம அப்போ 3 upon minus 5 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? minus 3 upon 5 னு எழுதலாம். Okay, now next is minus. Here is subtraction. Okay, while subtracting an rational number from another rational number, we add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted. நம்ம எதை subtract பண்ணணுமோ அதோட additive inverse add பண்ணணும். Okay, so that's why this minus sign into plus 8 upon 10. We add the additive inverse. Okay, so what is the additive inverse of 8 upon 10? Minus 8 upon 10. Clear children? Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Say additive inverse of a rational number is the rational number of the same magnitude as the given rational number but with the opposite sign. Okay, இதோட opposite sign தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்னது? Additive inverse. But here your the number is rational number is 8 upon 10. So what is the additive inverse of 8 upon 10? Minus 8 upon 10. Okay, now clear up to this? Okay, 6 upon 4 plus 3 upon minus 5 can be written as minus 3 upon 5. Next, this is the addition, so that's why we add the additive inverse of this rational number. Okay, so minus sign into plus, additive inverse of 8 upon 10 is the minus 8 upon 10. Okay, now what to do? Addition. Yes, we add the rational numbers, but how? Yes, here you see the denominator are all different numbers. Okay, suppose the denominator are same means the answer is very easy. Yes or no? To find the answer, that is very easy. But here is denominator is are all different. Okay, so that's why we follow the LCM method. You convert into the same denominator. Okay, so we find the LCM. What is the LCM of the denominator? LCM of 4, 5 and 10. Okay, so you find the LCM 4, 5 and 10. Which number is divided by these numbers? 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 5 is not divided by 2, so that's why same number. 10 divided by 2 is your answer is 2. Then next 2 again, 1 5 5. Okay, then next you divided by 5, 1 1 1. So your answer is 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So our LCM is 20. Okay, so to express the given rational numbers, with denominator 20. சரியா? இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு இங்கே டினாமினேட்டர்லாம் என்ன டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. அதனால் நம்ம என்னவா மாற்றணும், அதை சேம் டினாமினேட்டராக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். சேம் டினாமினேட்டருக்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணனா என்ன செய்யணும், அதோட எல்சிஎம்மை ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ எல்சிஎம் என்னது 20. இப்போ இதோட எல்சிஎம்ஐ எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம 20க்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், now what is the first rational number? 6/4. Now we want to the denominator is 20. Okay, so இந்த நம்பர் கூட எதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் உனக்கு 20 வரும், டினாமினேட்டர் 4 here, but we want denominator is 20, so multiply 5. Yes or no? Multiply 5 by both numerator and denominator. Okay, so 4 5s are 20, the numerator 6 5s are 30. So 6/4 is the equivalent fraction of 30/20. Okay, the next fraction minus 3/5. Okay, we want the denominator is 20, so you multiply by, here 5 is there, but we need 20, so 5 4s are 20. Okay, very good. So you multiply by both numerator and denominator by 4. Okay, so 5 4s are 20 minus 3 4s are 12. The next minus 8/10. Then denominator we need 20, so you multiply by 2. Okay, 10 2s are 20, so minus 8 2s are 16. Okay children, now 6/4 is the equivalent fraction of 30/20, minus 3/5 is the equivalent fraction of minus 12/20, and minus 8/10 is the equivalent fraction of minus 16/20. Okay, now we put the value of 16/4 equivalent fraction. 30/20 plus minus 3/5. What is the equivalent fraction? Minus 12/20 plus 8/10. So your answer is minus 16/20. Now you see the denominator are same. Okay, this step denominator are different. That's why you find the LCM and convert into the equivalent. Okay, you find the equivalent fraction. Now denominator are same, so we add only the numerators. Okay, so that's why 30 minus 12 plus minus 16. Only we add the numerators and put the same denominator number. Okay, your denominator is 20. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Now we add the numerators. First is 30 plus minus 12. What is the value? 30 plus minus 12. Here is positive, here is negative. So find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay children. Now 30 minus 12 is equal to, your answer is 18. Big number sign positive. Okay. Then next minus 16 upon 20. Now 18 plus minus 16. What is the answer? Here also one is positive and negative. So you find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay, so that's why 18 minus 16 is equal to, your answer is 2 upon the denominator 20. So that's why 2/20. Now you see the denominator and numerator have common factor. Yes, it is surely divided by 2. Yes children, so you cut 1 2 is 2, 10 2s are 20. So your answer is 1/10. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you take a classwork note. Take the classwork note and write today's day and date. Okay, find the value of the following. Write it in your classwork note. Take your classwork note and write today's day and date inside the margin. Okay, and write the question. Find the value of the following. In first question, first one, 6/4 plus 3/-5 minus 8/10. Write it fast. நம்ம ஒரு கொஷினை பார்த்த உடனே முதல்ல டினாமினேட்டர் நெகட்டிவாக இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். சரியா? சப்போஸ் டினாமினேட்டர் நம்மளுக்கு நெகட்டிவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை பாசிட்டிவாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன செய்யணும்? மைனஸ் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? ஆட் டு த அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் ஆஃப் த சப்ட்ராக்ஷன். எதை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணணுமோ அதோட அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸை போடணும். ஓகே. ஸோ தென் ஆஃப்டர் as usual method you find the LCM. Okay, then you solve it. Okay children, it's very easy only. Equal to fraction. Okay, so don't confuse it. Write it fast. Once a question answer is completed, then you put the line, okay, using scale. Write fast. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Okay, now the second question. One upon minus 6 plus 1 upon 3 minus 3 upon 12. Okay, same idea. Okay children, listen carefully, it is very easy. 1 upon minus 6 plus 1 upon 3 minus 3 upon 12. Okay, is equal to, here you see that denominator is negative. Okay, so you convert into the positive sign. Okay children, so 1 upon minus 6 can be written as minus 1 upon 6. The denominator il irukkakudiya negative symbol enga poirum, numerator ku poirum. Seriya? So that's why 1 upon minus 6 can be written as minus 1 upon 6. Okay, plus 1 upon 3. Now minus subtraction. Okay, so that time while subtracting rational number from the another rational number, we add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted. Okay, எதை நம்ம subtract பண்ணணுமோ அதோட additive inverse add பண்ணணும். எதை நம்ம இங்கே subtract பண்ணணும்? 3 upon 12. அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? 3 upon 12 ஓட additive inverse நம்ம இங்கே என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? add பண்ண போகிறோம். Okay, so that's why 1 upon 3 plus minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse 3 upon 12. What is the additive inverse of 3 upon 12? Minus 3 upon 12. Minus 3 upon 12. Okay, now clear? Yes. Now you see denominator are different. Okay, so this is a unlike rational number, so you convert into the like rational number. Like rational numbers means denominator or same number. Okay children, so we follow the LCM method. Okay, so you find the LCM of denominators. Okay, 6, 3 and 12. 6, 3 and 12. What is the LCM of 6, 3 and 12? Find the LCM. 6, 3 and 12 divided by 2. Okay, so 6 is divided by 2 means your answer is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 is not divided by 2, so same number 3 only. Now 12 divided by 2, your answer is 6. 6 2s are 12. Now again you divided by 3. Okay, 1 1 2. Then again 2 is there. Okay, so that's why 2 is divided by 1 1. So your answer is 2 into 3 into 2. That is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So your denominator is 12. Okay, so to express the given rational number, what? 1 up minus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3 and minus 3 upon 12. Denominator with denominator 20. சரியா? ஸோ நம்ம அப்போ இதோட டினாமினேட்டர் எல்லாம் 20க்கு என்ன செய்யணும்? கன்வெர்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். சாரி 12க்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ யுவர் LCM is 12. Okay children, so you convert into the LCM. Sorry, denominator is 12. Okay, so first rational number minus 1 upon 6. Minus 1 upon 6. We want the denominator is 12. So which number want to multiply? Minus 6 here, sorry 6 is here. We want 12. So you multiply by both numerator and denominator by 2. Why? 6 2s are 12. So minus 1 into 2. Minus into plus minus 1 into 2, 2. Okay children, so your answer is minus 2 upon 12. The next rational number 1 upon 3. We want the denominator is 12. Okay, so we multiply by 4, both numerator and denominator. So that's why your answer is 3 4s are 12, 1 4 is 4. Next you see that already your denominator is 12 only. So that's why no need to convert. So you come to direct, you put the answer minus 1 upon 6. What is the equivalent fraction? Minus 2 upon 12 plus 1 upon 3. What is the equivalent fraction? 4 upon 12. Here already 12 only, you write same rational number. Okay, so minus 3 upon 12. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you see the denominator are same, so we add only the numerators. Okay, so minus 2, we add the numerators. So minus 2 plus 4 plus minus 3 upon 12. Okay, now add minus 2 plus 4. First to find this value. Minus 2 plus 4. The sign is a different sign. So find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay, so minus 2 plus 4 is equal to your answer is 2. 2 plus minus 3 upon 12. Okay, இதோட ஆன்சர் மைனஸ் 2வையும் 4ஐயும் ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் என்னது? 2. அது கூட minus 3ஐ ஆட் பண்ண போகிறோம். Now you see these two integers having different sign. So find the difference and put the greater value sign. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Your greater number is 3. So that sign is minus. So your answer is minus 1 upon 12. Okay children, here already it is in standard form only. Why? Because in between numerator and denominator have no common factors. Okay children, it is clear? Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, now you start your writing second question. In first question, second one. Okay, first one already finished. Now you write second one. You write the question and answer. Okay, write fast. Write fast children. It's a very very easy sums. Only here 3 ideas only followed. நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்டு டினாமினேட்டரில் என்ன இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும், நெகட்டிவ் சைன் இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். அது நெகட்டிவாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா பாசிட்டிவாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மைனஸ் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது என்ன செய்யணும்? வி ஆட் டு த அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ். அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் போட்டு அதை ஆட் சிம்பிளுக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு டினாமினேட்டர் சேமாக இருந்தால் நியூமரேட்டர் ஆட் பண்ண வேண்டியதான். இல்லைனா என்ன செய்யணும்? எல்சிஎம் கண்டுபிடிச்சி டினாமினேட்டரை நம்ம சேமாக கொண்டு வரணும். ஓகே, தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஸோ வெரி வெரி ஈஸி சம். Write fast, children. Write carefully. There's a positive sign, negative sign. Symbols are there. So write without mistakes. Okay. So do carefully. One sign is changed, then his total sum is wrong. So you write carefully. Write fast. Write fast, children. I hope you have written the second sum. Okay. Now the third question. The third question. 2/5 plus minus 7/-10 minus 8/15. Okay, you find the value of 2/5 plus minus 7/-10 minus 8/15. Okay, now you see here denominator is negative sign, so you convert into positive. Okay, so 2/5 minus 7/-10. So minus minus cancel, or minus divided by minus is, your answer is plus. Okay, so that's why your answer is 7/10. புரிஞ்சுதா? இங்கே நம்மளுக்கு மேலே நியூமரேட்டர்லேயும் மைனஸ் சைன் இருக்குது. ஓகே, ஸோ அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? மைனஸ் மைனஸும் கேன்சல் ஆயிரும். இல்லைனா ஒன் ரூல், மைனஸ் divided by minus is equal to, your answer is plus only. So that's why minus divided by minus plus. So your answer 7/-10 is equal to 7/10. Okay children, now here minus subtraction. Okay, so while subtracting on rational number from another rational number, we add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted. Okay, எதை நம்ம பண்ணணுமோ அதோட additive inverse போட போகிறோம். additive inverse add பண்ணணும். So minus sign into plus. So that time you put the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 8/15? Minus 8/15. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Are you listening? Okay. Now you find we follow the LCM method. Why? This is the unlike rational number. Unlike rational number means the denominator are all different numbers. Okay, so you converted into like rational numbers. Okay, so that's why we follow the LCM method. Okay, so you find the LCM of denominators, that is 5, 10 and 15. Okay, Find the LCM. 5, 10 and 15. It is definitely divided by 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 2 divided by 2. So 3 is not divided. So that's why you write same number. Again you divided by 3. 1, 1, 1. So your LCM is equal to how much? 5 into 2 into 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Okay. So your LCM is 30. So to express the given rational numbers with the denominator 30. Okay. So appo ella denominator nama 30 ki kondu varanu. Okay. So first rational number 2 upon 5. We want denominator is 30. Okay children. So here is 5 but we need 30. So you multiply by 6. Okay. So you multiply by 6 both numerator and denominator. So that's why 5 6 are 30 and numerator. What is the value of numerator? 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. The next rational number 7 upon 10. Okay. So we want the denominator is 30. So we multiply by 3 both numerator and denominator. 10 3s are 30. 7 3s are 21. The next rational number minus 8 upon 15. We want the denominator is 30. So multiply by 2. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why 15 2s are 30 minus 8 2s are minus 16. Okay. Now you write the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. What is the equivalent fraction? 12 upon 30 plus 7 upon 18 can be written as 21 upon 13. 30 plus minus 8 upon 15. What is the equivalent fraction? Minus 16 upon 30. Okay. Now you see all the denominator are same. So we add only the numerators. Okay. So 12 plus 21 plus minus 16 upon 30. Okay children. Clear? Denominator எல்லாம் 30 வந்தாச்சு. அடுத்தல என்ன செய்யணும்? அப்போ கண்டிப்பா நியூமரேட்டரை மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ண போறோம். So 12 plus 21 plus minus 16. Okay. Now you add first to find the value of these two. 12 plus 21 how much? 33 plus minus 16 upon 30. Okay. So what is the value 33 plus minus 16? Here the integers having opposite sign. Okay. One is positive, one is negative. So to find the difference and put the greater value sign. So 33 minus 16 how much? 33 minus 16. 17. Okay children? 17. Yes or no? Correct? Yes. So the big number sign is plus only. So your answer is 17 upon 30. Okay. You see in between the numerator and denominator have no common factor. So this is the final answer. Okay. So your answer is 17 upon 30. Write it. Write fast. Third sum. Write fast children. Okay, children, the next question, fourth one. Fourth one, 5 upon 6, sorry, yes, correct only, okay, 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4 minus 9 upon 12, okay. So, 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4 minus 9 upon 12. What to do? First of all, you check all the denominator is positive. Yes or no? Yes, already is positive only. So no problem. 5 upon 6 minus 3 upon 4 minus 9 upon 12. So all denominator is positive only. Okay. So you write first one 5 upon 6. Now here is minus. So minus while subtracting and rational number from another rational number, we add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted. Okay. So, அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும்? இங்கே மைனஸ் சிம்பிள் இருக்கு, இதோட additive inverse இங்கே போடணும். So, minus sign, that is a convert into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. Okay, children? So, minus 3 upon 4. What is the additive inverse? 3 upon 4. It is correct? Yes. Okay. Why? The additive, here is the addition operation. Listen, children. Listen carefully. எங்க மைனஸ் நம்மளுக்கு சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் வருமோ அங்கெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸை தான் ஆட் பண்ணணும். அப்போ என்ன செய்யும்? மைனஸ் சைன் ப்ளஸ்ஸாக மாறிடும். மைனஸ் சைன் இன்டூ ப்ளஸ். that time you put the additive inverse of this side. Right hand side என்ன இருக்கோ அதோட additive inverse. So minus sign into plus. Minus 3 upon 4 is the additive inverse of 3 upon 4. Okay. So that's why 3 upon 4. Now next, here also minus. So we add the additive inverse of minus 9 upon 12. Okay. So what is the additive inverse of minus 9 upon 12? Plus 9 upon 12. Clear? Again, listen carefully. Here your operation is, two operations are negative. Okay. So 5 upon 6 minus sign, subtraction. Okay. So subtracting and rational number from another rational number, we add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted. Okay. So that's why minus sign into plus. That time you put the additive inverse of minus 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 is the additive inverse of minus 3 upon 4. So we add the additive inverse, 5 upon 6 plus 3 upon 4 plus additive inverse plus 9 upon 12. புரிஞ்சுதா? நம்ம additive inverse add பண்ணுவோம். minus 3 upon 4 ஓட additive inverse என்னது? 3 upon 4. minus 9 upon 12 ஓட additive inverse 9 upon 12. So additive inverse add பண்ணுறோம். Okay children, now clear? Yes. So now you see that all the denominator are different sign. So this is a unlike rational number. So you convert into the like. So we follow the LCM method. Okay. So you find the LCM. LCM of 6, 4 and 12. Okay. LCM of 6, 4 and 12. What is the value? Okay. It is definitely divided by 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. Then again next, again 2 table, 3 is not divided, so 3, 1, 3. Then next 3. Okay, so therefore your LCM is 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So your LCM is 12. Okay, now to express the rational numbers, that is 5 upon 6, 3 upon 4 and 9 upon 12, with the denominator is 12. Okay. So you take the first rational number 5 upon 6. We want the denominator is 12. So multiply by 2, both numerator and denominator. That's why denominator has to be 12. Okay. So 6 2s are 12. The numerator 5 2s are 10. The next 3 upon 4. The denominator is 12. So we multiply by 3, both numerator and denominator. So 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So next you see 9 upon 12. Here already your denominator 12 only, so no need to change this. Okay. So you do direct. So 5 upon 6 can be written as, what is the equivalent fraction? 10 upon 12. 3 upon 4, it can be written as 9 upon 12 plus already here 9 upon 12. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Now denominator are same, so we add only the numerators. Okay. So the denominator same number 10 plus 9 plus 9. So your answer is 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 9, 28. Okay children. So your answer is 28 upon 12. Now you see numerator and denominator have what? Common factors are there. Yes. It is divided by 4. Yes or no? Yes. So fourth table, 3 4s are 12, 7 4s are 28. Okay, clear? So that's why your answer is 7 upon 3. Okay, 7 upon 3. Okay, listen one more time. Gavani, 5 upon 6, இங்க minus sign இருக்கு. So minus sign நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம்? Minus வந்துட்டாலே we add the additive inverse. அதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும், மறக்கவே கூடாது. நம்ம minus subtraction வந்துச்சுன்னா அதை add-ஆ convert பண்ணணும். So எப்படி convert பண்ணுவோம்? அதோட additive inverse-ஐ add பண்ணணும். That's all. Okay. So that's why 5 upon 6 minus sign into plus. That time you put the additive inverse. Minus 3 upon 4. Additive inverse is 3 upon 4. Additive inverse க்கு அதே நம்பர் தான் வரும், அந்த சைன் மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். மைனஸ் இருந்தால் ப்ளஸ் ஆகும், ப்ளஸ் இருந்தால் மைனஸ் ஆகும். ஓகே. ஸோ மைனஸ் 3 upon 4. Additive inverse is 3 upon 4. Next also minus subtraction. Okay. So that's why we add to the additive inverse to be subtracted. So that's why minus 9 upon 12 additive inverse is 9 upon 12. Now you see the denominator are different. Okay. So that's why you converted into denominator are same. So we follow the LCM method. So LCM, I find the equivalent fraction. Then after you put the 5 upon 6. What is the equivalent fraction? 10 upon 12. 3 upon 4 is the equivalent fraction of 9 upon 12. 9 upon 12 already denominator is that is 12 only. So you write same. Then after denominator are same. So we only add the numerators. Okay. So your numerators are 10 plus 9 plus 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. Okay. So 28 upon 12. Now numerator and denominator have common factor. These numbers are divided by 4. Okay. So that's why 3 4s are 12, 7 4s are 28. So your final answer 7 upon 3. Okay children. Do you understand? Okay. Now you write it in your classwork note. In first question, fourth one. Okay. So today topic, that's that one type of question only I land. Yes. Okay, write it fast. Write fast. Today homework, page number 16. Page number 16. Your homework is, all of you take your book. Page number 16. Students, you take one book, max book, okay? So, take page number 16. Exercise 1.3. In exercise 1.3, third question. In third one, you mark the question. First one, third one, fourth one already written, yes? Yes, fifth one. In third question, first one, third one, fifth one and sixth one, okay? All of you take your book, page number 16, in exercise 1.3, in third question, okay? In third question, first one, third one, fifth one and sixth one. Okay, children? So, do the homework yourself, okay? It's a very easy only. So, think and write, okay? So, we will see in the next class. Thank you.